Hello, today I'm going to show you how to convert videos to GIFs on the phone. Let's start. Open up the Shortcut app. Click on the gallery icon from the bottom right corner. Here search GIF. Choose to make a GIF. Then click on Add Shortcut. If you have already made any GIF, then replace it with a new one. Then go back to Shortcuts. Click on Make GIF. Tap on the play icon from the bottom corner. Choose a video from the gallery. Select a part of the video you want to make a GIF of. Then click Save. Wait for a few minutes for GIF to be created. Then you can see your GIF you have created. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this and explain me how we're solving new problems every day.